Sebelumnya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami dari kelompok 4 yang beranggotakan Alfia Nurhidayah dengan NIM 102210016 dan rekan saya Adisti Afni Fira Mahmudah dengan NIM 102210003. Di sini kami akan presentasi resume Pancasila as basic for nation's character education. Number 1. Introduction. Many kinds of law made by the government are to embody the goal of Indonesian people, especially in education the people or nation. Regulation in educating life of the nation as written in the law now for in the year of 1950 and now 12 in the year of 1945. One, the basic of education and teaching at school in Indonesia. Law number 24 in the year of 1989 on the national education system, and law number 24 in year of 2003 on the national education system. Refers to goal of national education system. It relieves that character education based on the values of Pancasila is one of goals to be realized as split in a law now 20 in the year 2003. Article 3. The law now 20 in the year of 2003 on the national education system relieves that the character of the Indonesian nation is based on 5 principles or Pancasila as follows. Number 1. Belief in the one and only God. 2. Just and civil humanity. 3. Unity of Indonesia. 4. Democracy led by the wisdom of representative of the people. And 5. Social justice for all Indonesian. Tabel 1. Individu the source of Indonesia character. 5 principles of Pancasila. Number 1. Believe in the one and only God. Number 2. Just and civil humanity. Number 3. Unity of Indonesia. Number 4. Democracy led by the wisdom of the representative of the people. Number 5. Social justice for all Indonesian. Karakter law now 20 year 2003. Number 1. Believe and be faith in one God and only. Number 2. Noble character. Number 3. Healthy, skillful, independent. Number 4. Knowledgeable, creative, and responsible. Number 5. democratics.
Philosophy of Pancasila as basic of nation education. Character. Etymologically, the word Pancasila is derived from Sanskrit, Indian, or the language of the Brahmin caste. According to Prof. Muhammad Yamin, in Sanskrit the words Pancasila has two kinds of meaning, namely Pancha means five, whereas Sila deals with the rules of important attitude. Thus, Pancasila has moral and ethical principles. Moral principles and ethics in Pancasila can be seen in the table as follows. Number 1. 5 participles of Pancasila. Believe in the one and only good participles and Pancasila ethics. The Indonesian nation proclaimed their belief and devotion to good Almighty. Religion and belief in good Almighty is a matter of concerning the personal relationship of man with good, not impose a religion and belief on good Almighty to others. 2. Just and civilized humanity. The Indonesian nation feels himself as a part of all humanity. Love to do humanitarian activities, develop a loving attitude on human beings. 3. The unity of Indonesia. Promote association for the unity and unity of the nation. Develop a sense of pride between the homeland and nation, able and willing to sacrifice for the benefit of the state and nation if necessary. 4. Democracy led by the wisdom of the respected interests of the people. Deliberation is implemented by common sense based on a noble conscience, having a good intention and a sense of responsibility to accept and implement the rest of the deliberation, not allowed to impose willing to others. 5. Social justice for all Indonesians. Love to work hard, respect the rights of others, love to help to others to stand on by their own. Pancasila is generally meant as what view of life, view of life potential, a lifeline what they show, hints of life birth and living space showing in this case. For recommendation for character education of Indonesian, the character education of Indonesian nation is needed to be discontinued because Pancasila as the basic of character education has the same status as character education such a religion, culture, and goal of national education. Pancasila as ideology of the nation is defined as the overall views, ideals, and belief of Indonesia on the history, society, law, and the state of Indonesia as a result of crystallization of values that already exist in Indonesian country derived from customs, culture, religion, and belief in good Almighty. Therefore, character education should be based on the values of Pancasila as a whole, not other sources such as religion, culture, and goal of national education. We hope that with this video, it can be useful for all of you that all from you. More on our story. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.